Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13143 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2010 Lexus RX350. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the lower fascia. To do this, take out the 13 fasteners holding the fascia in place. Some fasteners will need to be removed with a flathead screwdriver. Starting on the driver's side, remove the tow hook. To do this, take out the bolts fastening the tow hook to the vehicle's frame. Repeat this process on the opposite side. On F Sport models, you'll need to remove the support bar bracket shown here. To remove the tow bar, take out the 4 nuts securing it to the tow loops. There was no tow bar present on this vehicle. Remove the hole plugs from the frame rails on each side of the vehicle. If necessary, use a wire brush to clean out any rust in the weld nuts. For extremely rusted weld nuts, we suggest using a thread and tap shown here. Be sure that the shaft of the tap is perpendicular to the weld nut before it is threaded through, so that the threads will not get crossed or damaged. Raise the hitch into position. With the hitch sandwiched in between the frame and the tow hooks, secure with the supplied bolts and conical tooth washers. On F Sport models, place the included support plate under the passenger side plate of the hitch. The hitch will be sandwiched between the frame and the support plate. Tow loops cannot be reattached on the F Sport models. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. To trim the fascia, refer to the trim diagram included in your instruction sheet. Tape off the portions of the fascia to be trimmed. Use a rotary cutting tool and trim the marked areas of the fascia. Remove the tape and cut away any excess with a utility knife. Raise the fascia back into position and check for proper fit and clearance. If the fascia doesn't fit properly, trim and try again. Reinstall the fascia. Game over. We should have used our flying monkeys. This completes the installation of the CURT 13143 Class 3 trailer hitch on a Lexus RX350. Check out all the CURT ball mount options and install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.